Just got your HP Envy 6000 printer? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to set it up quickly and connect it to your Wi-Fi. First, connect the power cable and turn on your printer. Wait until the printer finishes its startup process before moving to the next step. Open the front access door and carefully install the ink cartridges. Make sure each cartridge clicks securely into place. Next, load a stack of plain letter-size paper into the input tray and adjust the paper guides so they fit snugly. Download the HP Smart app on your computer or smartphone. Open the app, choose Add Printer, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your HP Envy 6000 to your wireless network. Once the connection is complete, print a test page. Confirm everything is working. Your printer is now ready for everyday printing. That's it! Your HP Envy 6000 is now fully set up and ready to print, scan, and copy. If you found this guide helpful, like the video and subscribe for more printer setup and troubleshooting tutorials.